Welcome to my channel. I'm the vegan Bossa. Today we are going to prepare a very easy and simple cake recipe, which comes from one of the most beautiful places in the world, the Amalfi Coast. The original recipe, of course, is not vegan, but I have found a way how to veganize it, and it's really simple, easy, and incredibly delicious. In Amalfi, they use their own lemons to make this recipe. The Amalfi lemon. This is a lemon which grows only in Amalfi Coast and it's organic. I will use the Amalfi lemons for today's recipe, but of course you can feel free to use any type of lemon that you have at home. Just be sure that your lemons are grown organically, because we are not going to use only the juice but also the zest of the lemon. And be sure to watch this video until the end, because I will share with you guys a tip on how to make this lemon cake soft and moist and incredibly delicious. And if you like my video recipes, please subscribe and ring that bell so you can receive all the notifications. Let's prepare this recipe. For today's delicious lemon cake recipe, we are gonna need these ingredients. First, take a big mixing bowl and combine together all the solid ingredients like the all-purpose flour, the sugar, and the baking powder. Mix all the solid ingredients well together, and at the end add the lemon zest of 2 or 3 lemons. Leave the solid ingredients aside for a moment and let's start preparing the lemon juice. We're gonna take another mixing bowl and we're gonna add all the liquid ingredients, the vegan butter, the oat milk, and the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then we're gonna give it a quick stir and we're gonna add it to the solid ingredients and mix them until well combined. Meanwhile, we're gonna preheat the oven to 180 degrees and start preparing a cake baking pan by greasing and flouring it so the butter will not stick into the pan, and we are gonna pour the butter into the pan and bake it 50 minutes to 180 degrees. To make this cake soft, moist, and incredibly delicious, we are gonna prepare a lemon juice syrup. This syrup is made with sugar, 1 cup of coffee water, and 1 cup of lemon juice. Bring the mixture to a boil and let it cool down before using it. To test if the cake is done, I use a toothpick, and if the toothpick is clean, this means that the cake is completely baked. This cake is incredibly fluffy and soft, and you can consume it even like this. But to make it more moist and incredibly delicious, we are gonna pour the syrup that we have prepared before. Then leave it to rest for 1 hour or 2 before serving, and enjoy it. I hope you really enjoyed this video recipe, and if you want to receive other video recipes in the future, please subscribe and ring that bell for the notification. Thank you and see you the next time.